How to change age on Wizz app. So once you verify on your credit account, you will be asked for your age. Maybe you had mistakenly put your wrong age. So to change your age, just go ahead to your profile. Then inside your profile, you'll be able to find this. That is your settings over here in the top right corner. Then you'll see your My Account section. That's where you can change your age. So just go ahead and press in your age over here and this should pop out. The update my age. So just go ahead and enter your correct date of birth below and month, day, and then year. So it must be between whatever will show in your case so that you'll be basically eligible for the Wiz app, or basically near the current age that you did put. In our case, it's 1997 between 1998. But that is pretty much how you change your age or update your age in your Wiz app. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.